Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Odoo Website Builder. This powerful tool empowers you to craft stunning, professional websites with remarkable ease. It features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to design pages and manage content effortlessly. You can customize themes, add diverse content blocks, and seamlessly integrate various Odoo business applications, all without needing any coding knowledge. It's designed for efficiency and flexibility, helping you establish a strong online presence in just a few minutes. To start building your website, first choose from a wide array of professionally designed themes or opt for a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. The core of the builder is its drag-and-drop functionality. Simply select content blocks such as text, images, or calls to action, and place them exactly where you want on your page. You can then effortlessly rearrange and resize these elements, ensuring your layout is perfectly aligned with your vision. Personalizing your website is straightforward with Odoo. You can directly edit any text on your page and easily upload images from your personal media library. The builder provides extensive options to adjust colors, fonts, and overall styles, ensuring your website perfectly reflects your brand's unique identity. Managing your website's pages, menus, and navigation structure is also incredibly intuitive, allowing for seamless updates and organization across all your content. One of Odoo's greatest strengths is its seamless integration with other Odoo applications. You can easily add features like an e-commerce store, a blog, or an events calendar directly to your website. The builder also includes powerful, built-in SEO tools to help optimize your site for search engines, increasing its visibility. Once you are satisfied with your design, publishing your website is as simple as one click, making it instantly live for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.